So my PDC experience, the Professional Development Center staff are very knowledgeable and responsive to my needs as a student and future business leader.
When first coming to college, I was super nervous about entering the business world. I met her April, and she was telling me that internships is a great way to gain that experience that you need when coming into the business world.
So my experience with the PDC has been a long one. I've been a part of the Professional Development Center since 2019. I started working with the PDC during my first semester in college, and I really had no idea what I was getting myself into initially.
The PDC has been absolutely a game changer for me. As a non-traditional student going back to school at age 40, you can kind of feel like maybe you've done something wrong in life and feel a little bit out of place on campus. And the people there, Marja, April, really gave me a sense of family, a sense of belonging, a feeling of accomplishment that is just unmatchable. And I am truly grateful for this experience.
The programs or workshops which I liked the most at the PDC were the executive presenters and leadership workshops. The reason why I like these two particularly is because people from the industry, they come here and share their experience, their journey, and through which we get to know a lot about their learnings, their mistakes, how they cope up with their problems.
I liked all the workshops because I've learned so much, but the ones that stand out the most to me are the resume workshop, the interview workshop, and persuasive presenters. You learn that the resume gets you the interview and the interview gets you the job. The job market is so competitive, and knowing what to do before, during, and after an interview can really help you stand out.
My favorite workshop was the Women in Leadership Conference. I met my current HR manager there, and she was able to help me secure an internship.
So I really enjoyed any program or workshop that focused on developing good habits more than anything else. For me, this was dining etiquette, seeing persuasive presenters, mock interviews, all of these things that really allowed for me to just become more consistent in my approach to the business and leadership realm.
The complete professional program really helped me to sharpen my skills. It helped me to become more persuasive, more presentable, to improve my communication skills.
It helped me develop a professional resume. It helped me develop a professional LinkedIn page. It taught me the importance of dressing professionally. And those things have led me to landing a career with one of the largest accounting firms in the world.
I got to meet professionals in my industry, do mock interviews, tour RBG. It was an amazing day. It was a really magical day that taught me so much, and I've maintained relationships with the people I met there ever since.